Hi guys, I hope you're well. Today on this video I'll be sharing with you how to make lemon mandazis at home. It's a very easy and straightforward recipe. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learn something. So I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I added cinnamon, margarine and sugar. You can adjust this depending on the amount of flour that you're using and also depending on the batch that you're going to be making. And after that you're just going to rub in the ingredients into the flour and set it aside, and now we can start preparing the lemon. Remember, these are lemon flavored mandazis, so start by zesting the lemon just by getting the green part of the lemon, and you do not need a lot, like that is enough. And then you're going to cut the lemon into halves and squeeze the juice from the lemon. Remember to get rid of the seeds from the lemon, as they are usually very bitter. So you're just going to sip that and just look at how it's looking at this point. And then if you have vanilla essence, it is optional, but if you got it, please add it there. So you're just going to mix and add this mixture into the flour. So again, you're just going to rub in the mixture into the flour like you see me doing here, just working it in there, rubbing like you see the motions. Just make sure that the flour and the other ingredients, they come together nicely, like you can see, before going ahead to start adding warm water. And remember, for mandazis, the more you need them the better, so just need as much as you can to get the best results. So I'm using warm water. You can use warm milk to get even better results. And one thing that I like to add to my mandazis are eggs, but I did not have eggs while I was doing this video, so I did not add them here. So I used like half a cup of warm water and added like a tablespoon of cooking oil. So the reason why I like to add cooking oil when kneading is just to make sure that the dough doesn't stick to the sides and that it doesn't form a crust. And like you can see, the dough is ready. This is how it's looking. You can see the small bits of the lemon zest, and it looks so good. So just leave it there for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and 1 hour later just take your dough and then you're going to cut it into small balls. Guys, these lemon mandazis are very flavorful because I have added cinnamon, I have also added vanilla essence, and I have added the lemon juice just to make them even tastier. You can do this whenever you want to just have some fancy mandazis when you have the time, and they are so quick to make, so you can actually make them within the shortest time. So you're going to make the balls like you see here, and then you're going to roll them one at a time like you see me doing. And the idea is to just roll them just to a small round shape like you see here, and then you're going to cut them into 4 triangles. You can cut to whatever shapes you like. I wanted to cut mine into circles, but I just decided while I was halfway the recipe to just make the normal triangles, and they came out nicely. Please, you can use whatever shape you've got, it's okay. And I don't like very thick mandazis. I like my mandazis to have minimal like the dough inside the mandazis. I don't like it to be too thick. I find that when they are thin, they cook evenly, so that is why my balls were very thin. Now here I was just testing if the oil was hot enough, and for mandazis, guys, use very hot oil and very high flame. That is what I found out when I was making these mandazis. This was like the second batch. The first batch did not go well because the oil was not hot enough, so that's why I'm saying make sure that the oil is hot enough and use high flame. And like you can see, my second batch was ready, so I just went ahead to do my second batch. And the margarine gives this nice golden brown color, so do not fail to add the margarine if you've got it at hand. And if you use butter, you will get the best results. Just look at that, guys. These mandazis were too easy to make, very delicious, and I hope you try them. Until next time, bye bye.